to do and a good thing to do because it is, but because it's mission critical. Because it'll create a stronger army, a stronger Navy, a stronger Air Force, a stronger Marines. It will create a stronger company. It will create better results. The better off we can be. The hard thing is that we know we're not increasing the women in leadership. We know there's been essentially no progress in corporate America for 10 years. There's been no progress in the wage gap for 10 years. But these topics are really hard to talk about. Really hard to talk about. As a woman coming up in my career, I never spoke about being a woman. Because if you speak about being a woman, the person on the other side of the table thinks you're whining, complaining, asking for special treatment, or in my industry, about to sue them. And if you think about it from a man's point of view, you mentioned my TED Talk. Some of you may have seen it. What would have happened if a male CEO would have given my TED Talk? Said the exact same things I said. I think he would have gotten fired for being sexist.